would do.
Does that hurt?
Now that's the way to turn it around.
Great quickness being shown here. Nobody home for that one. A spectacular counter by Steve Austin.
Man, there's no getting up from that.
Good Lord.
We've seen many sides to Big Show's personality over the years, but one thing is for sure. No matter what type of mood the Giant's in, if you cross him, you're going to feel an immeasurable amount of physical and emotional pain.
The quick reversal there by Randy Orton. Kick right to the next.
Wait, what? Did he really just release the hold? Wow, that's pretty unbelievable, Cole. It looked to me like he was ready to tap.
You have to be careful out here. We've seen the Chamber shorten many careers in the past. Back in the ring now.
Oh, my God, a clothesline. Outrageous athleticism on the hook. And there's the cover.
And he got a near fall out of it.
Yeah, and the Big Show just refuses to concede anything, powering through to battle on.
Ooh, slam.
With authority.
Toss to the outside.
Here's a cover. What's it going to take to...
And now the ladder has become a battleground.
Looks like it's going to end with a bang.
Trying to pull down the briefcase here.
Gonna need a better grip on that.
Yeah, no way that's coming down.
Boom, what a forearm. Boom, KO punch.
And Undertaker showing such creativity.
The Undertaker puts it away. The Undertaker with a tremendous win.
A patrol SUV's been dispatched after the suspect.
Squad, most eyes on the suspect.
We are experiencing technical difficulties. Please stand by. Adams and Drawback arriving shortly. Experiencing northbound train arriving shortly. Northbound train arriving shortly. Northbound.
Suspect is now on foot.
Ambulance urgently required at our location. Over.
Doing a scan.
Not my fault if my muscles are twitching.
Scanning. Good clear. Move.
Wait, let me get.
Welcome back to The Upload. Today we're talking about
The division.
Hey, keep your head down. There's a lead slinger slinging lead yonder. If you want to keep that fine car, it's all free. You do well just killing that shooting. Has 3 big pumps working day and night. If you try your way inside, silence their war cry first, or the fight's gonna get mighty tough. But hear me, to the right of the entrance, there's another way inside. Smaller, less dangerous.
Easy, Pickens without his armor.
What do you think would happen?
That you were gonna take my mind and put it into another body, like a brain transplant.
I'm sorry, it wouldn't work that way.
You realize how messed up this is?
Please, I didn't mean to upset you.
How did you expect me to react to this shit?
Please stop.
You're fucking disgusting. What's gonna happen to him?
He'll sleep for a while, a few days.
And then what? Wake up in his fucking nightmare again? All alone? So cruel.
Well, what do you want me to do with him? Make friends? Let him know that we have to